Tell me when you're ready.
She's going.
You know, I came out tonight to shoot a doe. Wanted to put another doe in the freezer. I brought this with me. I've never tried it. It's new from Tinks. It's called salad dressing, and it's just supposed to be an appetite enhancer for deer. And it doesn't have any nutritional value, so it's not considered baiting. We can bait here where I am. But what I did is, we have this really nice tall tine tubers food plot, and the deer kept skirting into these spruce the last couple times I hunted this food plot. So what I did is I just took this salad dressing and I just sprayed it right along the edge of the field, and lo and behold, the first deer that came out for the night was a buck fawn. And he just sat on that, where I sprayed this stuff, and he ate it like in a line. He kept going back and forth. He worked it for 45 minutes. He went and laid down, got up and did it again. Now, I didn't see a lot of deer. I saw a couple bucks come out late. And then right at the end, here comes a really nice doe, perfect for the freezer. And right in the shooting lane where I had sprayed this stuff, she stopped and she just started eating everything. It could have been the food plot, it could have been weeds. She was just eating it all. Finally, she gave me a nice quartering away shot, and I took her. So we're going to go find her here right now. But try this stuff out. It really works.